Hey Tara, it's Mark with Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on the 2007 GMC Yukon Denali. Give you a shot of the engine compartment here. Front glass looks great. Fog lamps both look really good, intact, and look excellent. This is the front right tire. And wheel. Hood and front windshield look good. This is the front left tire and wheel. Looking down the side of the vehicle, looks nice and straight. I don't see any scratches or dings that I can point out for you here. It's got the roof rack with the cross rails. It's got the tinted privacy glass. This is the back left wheel, tire, and wheel. Running boards look great. Has the tow package, rear park assist sensors, power rear liftgate, Moving inside, this is the front passenger door. The sill looks excellent. The seat bolster also looks great. This leather looks really good. Dash looks excellent. I don't see any signs of cracks on the dash. There is a little bit of discoloration here. I think lotion typically on people's fingers will take the paint off in two spots right here where you see a little spot of green. Does have the rear park assist, the StabiliTrak with traction control, the adjustable foot pedals. Second row, this is right behind the front passenger. This is the second row. Seat bolster. A little bit of discoloration on the carpet right there, not bad. Moving around to the left side of the vehicle, this is the left rear. Get you a shot into the third row. And front driver, this is the driver's door. Sill. And the bolster also looks really good. Does have the rear DVD player, universal home link remote for the garage door opener. There you have it, Tara. I'll get this video into Lauren. She'll get it uploaded and over to you, and we will follow up to see if you have any additional questions. Thanks.